Alright, this is going to be the main public elevator here at Oakland Mall, Troy, Michigan. We've got an Otis Series 1. Any day now. Here it is.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have you? I think they updated the controller. You coming up?
Yep.
Come on in. Are you going to the main level or upper level? All right. I'm just documenting the elevator, that's all. Here you go. I don't think this is original because that's an old indicator, so this is probably a Series 1 mod. And on lower level, it's got the older Series 1 buttons, so I feel like this thing was modded in the 80s and its controller was updated. Alright, there.